Hey everyone, hope everyone's doing well. Thanks for tuning in again. I'm your host Mike. Thanks for tuning in to the channel. Of course, you can hit the subscribe button, like this video, share it, and hit the bell for notifications, and it'll let you know when new videos keep coming out on Mike's RC Corner, going strong after 5 years. And thanks for your viewership and tuning in to some great videos. I got a new one here for you today. We got the MN D90 model here, and I got this one from Banggood, and I've already ran it. I'm doing this little, you're going to see this as the intro, but I've already ran this truck doing some other model reviews, and this is the way the video is going to go. We're going to have a little intro, then we're going to have a little video montage of this running, and we'll come back here for my concluding thoughts. So I just want to go over quick what's going on. Now, these MN models are forever linked to competing with the WLP models, and this is the truck I did earlier on my channel, and this is a cool looking truck. Both came RTR, so that's why I'm comparing these two. Both these are entry model. There's lots of hop-ups and full metal upgrades and the whole 9 yards for both these models. Some people might not like to do that, so you want to get the RTR model. This one checks in around, I think, around $50 RTR, and this one checked in just around 61, 60, but you can catch sale and coupons and probably get it for less. But that's the ballpark. It's in that probably $59 to $65 range. Now, heads up, these two, not even close. This model is much superior. This came with non-proportional steering and a non-proportional throttle, and the radio is just cheap, and it is what it is, and I'm not complaining about that. But a smaller motor, it's just, I think that's the 130 size scale motor in here. It does not push what this one can do. So, but it definitely looks nice, and definitely I will upgrade this because there's a lot of metal upgrades. Now, I bought the RTR because my fingers don't work so great. I got carpal tunnel. I'm an IT guy for the last 27 years, typing on the keyboards, twisting little screws, fixing computers. Carpal tunnel setting in, and for me to twist little screws, put a kit together, I wouldn't be able to sleep for a week because my hands grow numb. So I buy the RTR model. This one here is extremely cool. I really like the body. It has LEDs in the front. You put all the little parts on. It was well done. Tires here are not glued in, so I ran them with them unglued. That's one thing you're going to have to address. You can do it with them unglued, but you're going to have to deal with it if they roll off the rims a little bit. Other than that, the battery sits in the front. This one came with 2 batteries, so you get 2 Li-ions. They're 1200 milliamp hour. It came with a USB cable for charging, but you can use other chargers and charge off the balance lead. That's what I do. Just a standard little cheap stock radio, but it is proportional steering all the way. It has a steering trim, on-off button, takes 4 AA's. One thing I will say about this, even though it is proportional throttle, it really doesn't feel like it, because you just give it a little bit, it will kind of go a little slower, but once you get past a quarter way, it's full speed. So proportional throttle, not really there. It's pretty much almost all or nothing, but it's not the biggest deal. I'm just going to show you where the battery loads in here. I'm not the first guy to review these, but the battery sits in the front. It has the bigger upgraded motor in it. That's, I believe, the 260 scale size motor, or size motor, sorry. Everything underneath is plastic, but looks like it's a lot more thicker and durable than what came standard on WPL. These are deemed as a 1/16 scale crawler, so it looks good, and I just really like the look of this one. Now, if you upgrade them both, you probably end up with the same performing type of model, very close. But as the RTR will show you, out of the box, this one is superior to the WPL. So we're going to run to the running footage. We're going to run to the run footage. Let's go to the running footage, and I'll show you. My kids drove this around, and I recorded it, and I'll come back and give you my final thoughts. yeah, guys, so there you have it. A lot of fun. I've driven it too since. My kids enjoyed driving it. We took it around, up and down the track. You know, it's not going to be the world's beater on the crawler, but it is a good little scaler, good little trail truck, and I was impressed with what it could do. And the runtime was great. Probably got like 20 minutes per battery, so with the 2 batteries, you're looking at 40-45 minutes of runtime, and that's perfect for taking it with you and going out on the trail and going fool around. And you can bring another model with you. You could bring the WPL, and you'd have hours of fun out on the trail if you go bring these out for afternoon or something. So again, I give this one a thumbs up right out of the box. RTR, I think that these for like, you know, maybe a little $10 more far superior than the RTR WPL, and I'm not really looking to upgrade this one anytime soon. Maybe some small little things, improvements that aren't going to cost much money, but overall I'm pleased with it as is. Again, I'll have a link in the notes to this. Hope everyone's doing well. Thanks for tuning into this little demonstration of this model and my thoughts and review. Hope everyone's doing well, of course. Summer's ending here. Hope you guys had a good summer. Some of you guys are heading into summer down south of the southern hemisphere, so you're probably looking forward to that. Thanks again, always tuning into this channel. Of course, leave your comments. I'll get back to everybody as best I can. All right, take care, peace out, and we'll see you on the next one.